giving us the approval. Just in a short notice, you approved in spite of tight schedule. Your Excellency, it is important that one of the things we came to discuss with you is that in FCT, there is no department that takes care of women. And we felt that we have to collaborate and work with you as regards women and what role support we can give for women in the FCT. We know that you're quite experienced. This is not the first time you've been a senator, you've been the wife of a governor, and by the grace of God, now the wife of the president. You have quite a lot to do. FCT is willing to partner with you, to work with you, to see that the renewed hope agenda is achieved by the grace of God. We know that it is not easy, but God on our side, and with our commitment and passion, we can assure you that FCT will play a very great role in achieving the renewed hope agenda. We have kickstarted, and in the next 8 months, which will be 1 year of Mr. President in office, Nigerians will see that there's a difference as far as the changes are concerned. You are a mother and the mother of the nation. So we will not like a situation where you will not take us as part of your team. FCT is where you live, and so you are part and parcel of FCT. So we want from time to time you let us know where we think we should collaborate and we should support. We may not been finding it easy, but that was expected. If it was that easy, then we shouldn't have come. It is because there are problems, that's why we're here. Ours is not to make excuses. Ours is to make sure we're focused, we're not distracted, and to make Mr. President achieve what you promised Nigerians. We know that Nigerians expect a lot, but we believe that where we are is the time to take hard decisions. And so it's a time for Nigerians to make sacrifices for what we intend to achieve in future. Yes, today it may be rough, but tomorrow it will be soft. That is the way what it's supposed to be. So generally what we have come to say, we want to identify with you, give us roles you think we should play as we are going along to support particularly women and children, because our experience have shown that they are the most vulnerable.
We know that everywhere is official and it is work. I welcome you and your colleague, the Minister for State, FCT, Ajia. We've been together. She's come to one of our events. Yes, actually, immediately you assumed office. You know, we women tend to flock together somehow. Yes. So we've met, and I want to thank her for the support and the solidarity she has shown. Honorable Minister, I want to commend you for hitting the ground running. You took the bull by the horns, and I know FCT is glad to have you. You know, we've seen them cheer, you know, welcome you, and I pray that you will not disappoint God, you will not disappoint them, because they really welcomed you. And we too were excited that you are here, and that we believe that we are in good hands. Just this morning I heard that, you know, there was a news flash that FCT, the minister, is collaborating with Israel on agriculture. I said, I would love to discuss agriculture with the Honorable Minister. It's not just women. Women is what we do, and children is what we do, and that is who we are. So I said, you know, agriculture, that is one of the areas in our Renewed Hope initiative that are, you know, that would be nice, that we received the team from Belarus. We also even went to as far as Belarus to study what they are doing, and Honorable Wike just came back from Belarus. So we are trying to introduced them to some of the governors, even they were with the vice president yesterday. So they have so much to offer, in different areas, and they are willing to. They even went as far as offering us scholarship at the Renew to Hope initiative. So people are willing, to partner with the government that we have today, and we can only thank God for that. So I really appreciate you for even thinking about us. FCT was a capital, a territory that I thought, how do I approach them? Because only recently, I only, work with the woman leader if we need to do anything. And then I said they also have local government chairmen.
Yes.
So I said I can't, there's no way I will say I'm working with their wives. But go and give them letters. These are the things we want to do. But still, I've not really say, okay, invite them over because I don't know how to reach them. But for what you have done today has really brought a lot of ease to our work. Because once you have the directorate there, they know how to reach them.
Yes.
So, and that is, it has really made the work easy. And that is why I think that God has a hand in what we are doing. Because it's one of the areas that I thought, we always do 36 states plus one.
Yes.
But that plus one, why would it be the woman leader we are reaching? And I didn't want to just go and start meddling in ministries. Whatever I'm going to do would have to be, under the table and say, oh, please go and help me, get the minister and say, this is what we want to do. Because, we are not ignorant. We have to be respectful of all your portfolios.
Yes,
so I want to thank you so much for, coming out and showing us that solidarity. And you've really, really lightened my body.